Find the first 5 terms of the sequence where S1 equal to 6 given the first one, and Sn general term of the sequence given 1/2 Sn minus 1. And there's a limit or restriction, n must be greater than or equal to 2. So any number 2 or more will satisfy this general term. So well, we're looking for first 5 terms. We're looking for first 5 terms. This is given here condition 5 terms. And also you have to be very careful with this condition that must satisfy. Also we know that first one is given here. So we know something, first one is given. And also then after we find first terms, we have to come up with the conclusion whether it is arithmetic, geometric, both or neither. So let's first find the first term and we're going to find out how to come up with the conclusion. Okay, so let's start with the general term, which is S sub n is equal to 1/2 times whole sequence is given or whatever Sn minus 1. So this is general term given. Now we are looking for how many of them? We are looking for 5 of them. So we're going to need S1, we need S2, we need S3, we need S4, and we need S5. Another word, oh by the way, this is a sequence, small letter s. I would like to tell this is small letter s, this is sequence, this is not a series. So well, instead of n we are going to substitute. Now this is the n here, so that is n, so we just substitute. Now question is what we are going to take. S1 is already given, so we don't really have to go with the S1. It's not going to even satisfy. If we substitute 1 here, it's not going to satisfy. We need to start with 2. So well, we already know that given S1 is given as a 6. How do you know where it's coming from? This is 6. So that is already given 6. So we don't really have to worry for anything, just rewrite it. Now S2. So S2 is 1/2 because that is where we start. Remember, it must be 2 or greater. So that is why we are going to substitute. That is why we are going to substitute 1/2 S, instead of n we're going to put down 2. So let's take a look. S2 minus 1, so that will give us 1/2 S. 2 minus 1 is 1. So well, we already know what is S1. So 1/2 times S1 is 6, which is 3. Again, how do you know S1 is 6? It's just given down here. So the next one down here is going to be basically same stuff here. So 1/2 S3 minus 1, which is 1/2 S2. That would be the previous one. Actually this is the one we got. This is S2, so which is 3. So it's going to be 1/2 times 3. That would land us 3/2. Just keep it. We don't really have to convert into decimal or mixed fraction, nothing, just leave it like that. Then we next move into S4, which is 1/2 S4 minus 1, which is 1/2 S3. Again, S3 is the previous one we just found. This is the S3. So this is, we're just going to substitute 3/2 down here. So 1/2 times 3/2, that would be 3/4. We're almost there. Now we have one more. So 1/2 S5 minus 1, which is 1/2 S4. That is the previous one basically down here. So 1/2 times 3/4. I can put down multiplication, dot doesn't really matter here. So 3/8. And of course this S4, this is S4 down here, and that is basically S4. So substituting all of them, that is S4 outcome. Alright, so what we have here is basically we have this sequence. So let's put down here to the right side. So far what we have 6, 3, 3/2, 3/4, 3/8. So these are the sequence. Right now we have 5 sequence. Question asked for first 5 terms. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now there is another note here, whether it is arithmetic or geometric or Fibonacci. What are those actually? So which one is there actually? So if we subtract second number with the previous number. So in this case, so let's get the calculator here a little bit here. We're going to use our calculator here. 3 minus 6, which is negative 3. Let's actually subtract third number with the second number. So 3 over 2 minus 3. Seems like we are not getting the same thing. In other words, even we try to actually, first one is 3, this is negative 1/2. It's not working. So this is not going to work. It's not arithmetic. Then right away, we're going to divide. In order to find out whether it is a geometric or not, we're looking for ratio. So how do we find the ratio? Second number divided the first number. So 3 divided by 6, enter. So it's 1/2. Good. Then we look into the next one. 3 divided by 2, 3 over 2, sorry, and divided by 3 in this case. Third number with the second number. Divided by 3. Enter. Let's see. Wow. So we're getting same. Now all of them has to be same actually. So now 3/4, 3 divided by 4, go to the right, divided by 3 over 2, 3 over 2. Let's see, you're getting the same thing. Wow, bingo, all of them giving the same. So let's figure it out. If one of them doesn't give, that means this is not a common. So 3 over 8, and of course we divide by the now 3 over 4. 3 over 4, enter. Look, all of them 1/2. Okay, so after dividing all these, every time we have a common ratio. Because we are dividing, so we are getting ratio A over B. So in this case, ratio is what? Ratio is 1/2. So we call, in geometric way, we call ratio is equal to 1/2. Remember, we go with the second number divided with the first number. So therefore we know, since we have a common ratio, we say this is geometric sequence.